Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to unhide songs on the Spotify. So if you want to unhide your any song on the Spotify, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Spotify mobile application. Once you will open it, you have to click on the settings from the right top. Once you will do it, now scroll up and here you will see show unplayable song. You have to turn this toggle on like this. So once you will do it, let's suppose I open recent played and I want to hide this song. Open it and click on the three dot icon. Simply you will see hide song option, so you have to click on it. Once you will do it, now simply go back and open that song again. You have hide and tap a while on it and you will see hidden option here, so you have to click on it to unhide it. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.